Alright, we about to get up out here and see what we can find. Little daily travel vlog. I don't know if you can see that behind me. We out here. Let's see what we got. Got a little something special for you. Look at this guy in here. The driver. You got an idea where we going?
Got a clue.
As long as you driving, that's all I'm worried about.
That's all that matters. That's safe and get us back.
That's what I'm talking about. So he's just gonna drive us on out there. We're gonna hit a little special, little architectural / amusement park little piece, and y'all coming with. So tighten up.
So extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.
I'm about to see what's going on up in here. What you say, y'all ain't gonna pay to go up?
I'll pay. I didn't know they take cars. I thought they was only gonna take euros.
Actually, I don't know. We're going to find out when we get over here, but I'm sure they'll.
If I knew we was going to have to pay to get in, I would have grown the euros.
Hey. Sorry, you're supposed to be ready no matter what. You don't know what you're going to have to do.
All right, my bad.
Hope they ain't metevacing somebody out of here. I don't even know what this thing is called, but we about to find out. We gotta pay to get up in here. We're gonna find out what this is right here. Whatever it is, I'll drop it in right here, the name of it, because I don't know what it is. It's in German, whatever it is, but we got to find out. What you thinking back there, Marshall?
Like, do we gotta pay or we just walking in?
I think it's gonna be a gate down there.
You're saying tickets. Tickets down here.
I think it's gonna be a gate down there that you walk in. But don't nobody stop me. I'm just gonna keep on walking.
Saying I don't know.
Do it look like I'm from around here? Hell no. So there's a little lake out there for you all. Told you to bring them shorts. Bring them shorts, you could have won. We're gonna get stopped up here, but I gotta see what's going on. All right, so this is what I got. This is what this thing is called. We done made it in. See, I got guys trying to get through there. I guess you could ride that little pipe down there, but I'm good. I'm about to get up on here and get me some epic pictures from the top of this baby. And then
right back down.
If y'all want to get in that pipe,
It's dry as hell going down. We just skint. It's gonna be fun. Skint your whole elbow off. Make sure you just stop halfway so we can check the bottom.
I really need you to go in there. You ain't got to slide down. You gonna slide on a cot or something in there, ain't it? I don't think he want to go in there, y'all. One of these two. No, man.
No, you do. You gotta make that slide thing back right there.
Man, you got it. I don't want to. You got it. What of y'all got it?
We ain't to the good for that one.
No. Hey, I get you back when I get you back later on. Those had like little what you call it? Obstacles or little kind of challenges for you to do when you come up in here. They got a lake over there.
I wonder what they're building right here. Look real nice over there.
It's gonna be a lake over there though. That's when you get up on top. That's Instagram ready. Y'all can thank me later. You ain't gotta do it right now. You ain't gotta do it right now. Just do it later. Marsh, I'm gonna pay for you to go on here.
You'll pay for you?
Yeah, I got money in my pocket. I got a little change left from the 20 I used.
I think you gotta pay for the bag at the bottom.
We're gonna get one of y'all in there. I can't fit in there. Let me see. Look at it and look at me. I'm a big guy.
Me too. The biggest.
You big as me.
It's 275 pounds.
No, sir.
275.
No, sir. A spiral. So this is supposed to be like a workout initiative. You gotta come in here, walk, I don't know, 600 meters. It's got to be more than that. It's probably about 1,000 meters around in a circle to get to the top. But once you get to the top, baby, them views. Every time I come by this lake, it gets better. Cause we up a little higher. Every time we come by this lake, it get a little better. That ain't gonna be amazing on the top. That's the little obstacles you're supposed to do. I'm good. I'm just going up to the top. Y'all can do this. Now go ahead on and do this right here. Here we go. Man, take your time getting across.
You gotta do it with no hands. You gotta do it with no hands.
No, they got. Take your time getting across there, man.
No hands. See what Big Sarge got.
Nah, Big Sarge got sense. He gonna use the damn rails. That's what. Big Sarge got sense. Is what he got. There we go.
It caught me off guard when I first got on it.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna culminate it with you coming down this. Coming down this way. He don't want to. He ain't trying to come down it. We want to get him down there. Yeah, I don't know how these obstacles. I think you can go all the way up and then come back down with the obstacles, or either come up with the obstacles. I don't know. Either way, I ain't on it.
I want to know what's in there.
Don't worry about it. We'll check it out for you on the way down. You can do all the obstacles on the way down. Look at it. So much history over here. Crazy.
Wow, one person fall.
Let me see what else I can find for y'all to do. I appreciate it. Y'all really tackle these obstacles. No problem.
Doing it for the content.
He doing it for the channel. You see that?
Doing it for my fans.
These boys are tightened up and Suckafree.
No, he gonna make us famous.
Woo!
I'll be out here like.
Doing it.
Doing the shit doing.
Doing the shit.
Boy, look at this. I'm gonna get some steals out here. Look at this right there. It's a castle in the background, so believe me, I'm getting a steal right here. Hold up. I'm so all right up here. This lake is getting better every time. Every time I see that lake, it's getting better and better. But so is this thing right here. That one of them gonna come down this baby right here. Sir. Just a little workout. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all. The Germans is all about fitness. So they just want to incorporate. Oh yeah, they want to incorporate that into your little outing up here. Oh yeah, I got something for them right here. Look at this deal right here. Yes, sir. Here we go.
We ain't got no bag.
You don't need to go on there.
Yeah, you do.
No. Look,
Somebody go across this.
you go across this, and then you ain't got to go down there. You can come back out. I'm just saying.
I go across this.
Let's do it then. Let's do it, Airborne.
This ain't nothing. Hey, don't shake it too hard now.
Hey, don't be shaking. You going in there, Big Saw? Oh, I thought you was about to go in there. You in the right spot. Stay right there. Where you running to?
That smooth right there.
Go down the slide.
You got to get you a bag.
You gotta get a bag.
Yeah, you got to have it, the little raft to ride on.
From where?
I guess we should have got it down at the bottom. You can go, look, go down there and just come on. Go down there and just come on back up, Big Saw. That's all you got to do. You say you get a 600 on ACFT anyway, so just go on down there. Just go on down there and come on back. One thing about it, Big Jeff ain't doing it. And that's on everything. I don't want nobody to misconstrue that I'm not carrying my ass down there. 100%. That's nice over there. Look at that little. See, that's the thing about Germany. They got all the little hamlets. So you got one little town, and then you got another little town right there. And that town got its own church, grocery store, everything. Everything it needs to self-sustain. And then right down the road, you got another little town. All right, guys, we almost to the top, to the amazing views. Looks like I fell behind. Amazing view. A little workout to get up here. What you think, Walls?
I'm tired.
My leg hurt.
We got you going down though.
No, we don't. Yeah. I got me walking down.
We got you going down.
Big Sarge right there. He said he was gonna slide down.
Oh yeah, that's right.
He just need to go get him a bag.
I don't think he's serious about it.
Don't take your shirt off, just sit on it.
You gonna be skit up like a boy. You take your shirt off. You
probably gonna burn your skin.
You take your shirt off going down that thing, you will never be the same. There ain't no doubt about that. You would be finding all kind of little stuff over here, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you're going somewhere and we on a mission to a certain country or certain city or whatever, I'm gonna find somewhere to get out here and see what's going on. That's just the RVer in me. If you look down there, there's an RV down there. I told you the Europeans love it just as much as we do. But this is beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take that in for a minute. Oh, water sports out there. I might try that. No. So we heading on down. Look at them jokers over there. They done left me. The phone call on the way down there. We were walking down this little spiral thing. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. You gotta find stuff like this, man. That's what I love about the RV community. We just adventurous. We want to get out, go do some stuff, not sit around. Just get out and see things. And I love that. No matter what country I'm on, in the US, in Europe, Germany, Poland, Italy, wherever I am, I just like to be able to get out and go see some things. And I just, you know, us travelers, we just start Googling stuff. And I found this thing today and I was like, yo, we about to go see this. Because you may never get a chance to see this stuff again. And we want to be able to share this with you guys. So we appreciate y'all. We're getting close to 500 subscribers. So we're going to keep on digging. We're going to keep on digging. We're almost there. We got about 12 more to go. And we're going to just keep on digging and keep on bringing this content. But yeah, I'm really walking down this thing. Look. It's like a big spiral. And you just got to keep on walking down it. You got to walk up and get you a little workout. And then you got to walk down. And I'm almost at the bottom now. But this is nice. Weather's beautiful out here. Not too hot, not too cold. Right on the lake. Amazing. And everybody go try to find something to eat. Back in my town I lived in Germany. It's amazing to be back. Just got to walk down to the main street. We lived here for 3 years. Some of y'all should already know if you've been following us. So on the way back through, we just stopped here because of this amazing restaurant that I love so much. Restaurant Acropolis. Right there. So if you're ever in Byrd, Germany, and beautiful little town. So if you're ever here and you want to stop and get you some good food, Acropolis. Figure out what you go get. What you go get?
Spaghetti with meat sauce.
Where you see that at? God, it's basic.
Piece of page.
He said that's basic.
And I'm getting a real large shrimp on the front.
Hold up, what now? What you getting?
I'm getting a real large shrimp, and I'm getting the spaghetti with meat sauce.
Basic. What about you?
I'm gonna get this lamb platter with lamb kebab and 3 lamb cutlets.
I was thinking about getting that one. Then I saw the shrimp.
And then I'm gonna give me some pita bread.
Wait.
At least once, man.
Yes!
That plate there.
Donkey!
Italy, they
I'm gonna
had,
tear up some.
they had shrimp. They was selling shrimp in their McDonald's.
Yeah, I know. In Korea, I heard they be selling fried chicken in there, all kind of stuff.
They had chicken wings too.
Boy, when you get the right meal in front of you, fish, steak, lamb, the wine to go with it.
Yeah, the Indian spot that's in Richmond Hill. That's what they do. They only serve wine with their curry or in their Indian food, but they'll say on the menu which wine is best for that food.
I ain't get on that till I got over here. I ain't really beer and drinking wine with a certain kind of meal. I didn't get that figured out until I was over here.
I ain't too much of wine drinking. But Taylor Port, I'll take Taylor Port down.
Taylor.
Thank you.
That's that box wine.
That's that wine, alcohol content in it than the regular liquor.
Yeah, Taylor Port will bite you real quick. You don't pay attention.
But I get my picture.
Ain't no dressing.
I'm gonna get my picture first.
Got a salad?
No, the dressing.
I need all of it.
Oh, I see it.
No, you
Don't
was eating.
say I ain't do it for you.
No, you was eating exquisite out here. Huh?
Yeah. Look, ain't got no wine.
Trying to tell y'all we about to do it. Show you what we're working with. Show you what we're working with right here. Donkey, thank you. Ooh, I know what we're working with right there. He gone. I don't even know. He ain't even over. He coming back. You know what I'm saying? Look, working it. For my battery die. I'll show you what we're about to go through right here. Wine. This some good eating right here. Tell you, y'all better tighten up.